Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to trade Pump.Fun meme coins using Autosnipe AI. So if you want to use Autosnipe AI or if you want to trade Pump.Fun meme coins with the help of an AI, you can use the link that is given in the description and that will save you 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now, once you click on that link, you will be landed on Autosnipe AI, where the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Phantom wallet with it. So you need to simply click on the connect and snipe option and then click on the confirm option. After waiting for some time, it will show you all of the available options that you can use in order to trade meme coins of Pump.Fun on Autosnipe. Now over here, as you can see that we have Pump.Fun pairs, and with auto snipe what you will get is you will get this feature that is called hide drugs. So if you enable this feature, it will hide all of the tokens that has very less liquidity. It will also give you the instant buy option, so you can even enable that. So these two features are very best for auto snipe. Now over here you can click on the filters, and here you can add the filters as per your need. So for this video, let's say I want these to be added in as my filter. So after applying your desirable filter, it will filter out all of the meme coins that you can now trade very easily. Now among these, you need to select any of the meme coins in which you are interested and click on it in order to open its chart. Now over here, you can select the time frame, and here you can view the chart of the token that you have selected. Let me just select the other coin. So let's say this is the coin that I'm interested in, and this is basically the chart of the meme coin that you have selected. Now here in the right hand section, you will be able to see buy sell option. So here you can buy the tokens at market price and on limit price. You can even sell the tokens at market price and limit price. Now over here, if you hover over to the top, it will show you these green signals where you will be able to see the LP burnt 100% and some of other information. So this is the best part of Autosnipe, where if you click on the data and security, it will show you whether the token that you have selected is potential scam or not. Let me just open some other token, and then it will show you whether this particular token that you have opened is legit or scam. So none of the AI in the market can show you this type of feature that Autosnipe AI is providing you. As you can see that for this particular token, there is no red signal or anything available in the data and security. So you can use the data and security option, where you will check whether the token that you have selected has potential of scam or not. Now since we want to trade Pump.Fun based meme coins, so you can select the market order, and here you can enter the amount. You can even use these presets if you want to. Now click on the buy option and your order will be placed. Now if you click on the open orders, you will be able to see all of your open orders in this list. Similar is the case with the sell tokens. So you need to click on the sell tokens option, and here you can use the slider and select the percentage of amount that you want to sell. You can select 100%, or you can even select 50% or the amount of your choice. Afterwards, click on the sell token option, and this way you will be able to easily sell tokens of Pump.Fun at Autosnipe AI. Now if you want to place the limit order, it is also quite similar to the market order, but with the limit order you can add your desirable amount and your desired market cap for the particular coin that you have selected. So for buying this token, let's say you want to purchase it at limit order, so here you can enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend, and here you can provide the market cap details, or you can even add the price in Solana and even in USDT. Then it will also give you the option of expiry in. So if you want to expire this trade, then you can select these presets, or if you don't want to do it, then you can select never. Afterwards, we have the advanced settings option, where you can keep the slippage at 15%. For bribery amount, I would recommend you do not change anything. For map protection, I would recommend you to disable it, but if you are pro with sniping meme coins, you can definitely go ahead with this. Then we have the priority fees. So with AutoSnipe, you can easily optimize your fees. So this is one of the best parts of AutoSnipe AI. So you need to change nothing over here and click on the buy token option, and your again or your order will be placed and it will be in the open orders. All of your transactions will be in the transactions section, so you can easily keep an eye on your holdings and your positions. Now similar is the case with the sell token. You need to select the sell token option, select limit order, then enter the amount of percentage that you want to sell. Then you need to select where you want to sell, and you can even customize it with the help of market cap, price in sol, and price in USDT. Then you can select whether you want to add any expiry in option or not. For advanced settings, again you can select the sell slippage percentage at 20%, let's say. And other than this, you don't need to change anything and click on the sell token option. This way you will be able to easily trade Pump.Fun based meme coins at Autosnipe AI. So again, if you want to use Autosnipe AI, you can use the link that is given in the description to save 10% discount on trading. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.